Hey, tell me something. When you are in the market to buy something, let's say a new phone, laptop, a car, or your first house, are you looking or expecting the salesperson to be your new BFF? Someone that you can hang out with on weekends and invite them to your birthday parties? Any takers? I don't think so. You are not looking for a new best friend, are you? You are simply looking to make the right buying decision and make the right choice for yourself. So just to be clear, I'm not saying relationships and building a rapport is not important. I'm saying it is not enough in today's world. So gone are the days where the salesperson was the only source of information. With a quick search on your phone these days, you can find out more information than you know what to do with. I understand if it's a low item, no value, like buying a pair of socks with a bit of a charm, not a lot of risk involved, then maybe you can get away with some relationship and building some trust. However, as the deal size and the value gets bigger and bigger, there will be more decision makers in the room. For example, there might be people from procurement, from finance, from legal to a CEO. They all need to be involved because there's more at stake if they make a miscalculation on risk. And in that moment, your clients, they're not looking for a new best friend type of relationship. What they need and what they want is a trusted advisor to help them make the right buying decision so they don't make a massive mistake. And this is what I actually want to emphasize in this video. They are looking for you to be the value proposition. Notice I said you are the value proposition. So in simple terms, basically it means what makes you stand out from the rest of the market, from the rest of the salespeople. And what they are looking for is your expertise, for you to educate them about the market, and for you to understand what they are going through on a daily basis. So, how do you become a value proposition? So let's take a look at this Venn diagram that I came up with, and there are basically three parts. Know the market, know the client, and know your own company. I know this is a simplified version, but you get the point. And when you know the market, you get to understand what the competitors are doing and what the trends are, and you will be able to see the gaps in growth, and then you can figure out what types of clients that will need your actual service. When you understand the customer, and this is my absolute favorite part. I know I focus a lot on the mindset of the customer in my sales tips video because of one simple reason. Behind every decision, in every single company, there are human beings making buying decisions. Am I right? So if you can figure out what their needs are and find the common cause of their pain and meet that demand to solve that pain, then you're on the right track to making that sell. And the third circle, know your own company. So what that means is understanding your products and features better than anyone else. You have no idea how many times I was trying to speak to a salesperson and they're like, I don't know. There goes your value in the client's mind. And also understand your own price to see if it's right. And once you combine all that knowledge into one, in that sweet spot when all the three circles overlap, that is how you become a value proposition and differentiator. And you will notice it has everything to do with understanding the customer, understanding the market, and understanding your own product. If you can deliver that, then a proper relationship will follow. Okay guys, that is a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed this week's sales tips. And as usual, before you go, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with just one person that can win from this knowledge. Till next time, bye.